Hello viewers, Health Vibes TV. Welcome to the golden years, where experience and wisdom abound. As we age gracefully, our nutritional needs change, making it essential to focus on a balanced diet rich in key vitamins and minerals. These nutrients become our allies in maintaining health, strength, and vitality, ensuring that our later years are a time of vigor and fulfillment. In this exploration of the top 5 vitamins and minerals for both men and women over 50, we'll uncover the secrets to embracing this chapter of life with the utmost well-being. 1. Calcium. Importance. Calcium is essential for maintaining strong bones and preventing osteoporosis, which becomes a more significant concern as we age. Recommended daily intake. Men and women over 50 should aim for 1,000–1,200 mg of calcium per day, depending on individual needs. Sources: dairy products, fortified plant-based milk, leafy greens, almonds, and calcium supplements if necessary. 2. Vitamin D. Importance. Vitamin D is crucial for calcium absorption and bone health. It also plays a role in immune function and overall well-being. Recommended daily intake. Most people over 50 need 800–1,000 IU, 20 to 25 mcg, of vitamin D per day, but individual requirements may vary. Sources: sunlight, fatty fish, e.g. salmon, mackerel, fortified foods, and supplements if levels are low. 3. Vitamin B12. Importance. As people age, B12 absorption may decrease, making it important for cognitive health, energy, and the prevention of anemia. Recommended daily intake. About 2.4 mcg per day for both men and women over 50. Sources: animal products, e.g. meat, fish, dairy, fortified cereals, and B12 supplements if needed. 4. Magnesium. Importance. Magnesium is important for muscle and nerve function, bone health, and regulating blood pressure, which becomes more critical with age. Recommended daily intake. Men over 50 should aim for about 420 mg, and women about 320 mg of magnesium per day. Sources: nuts, seeds, whole grains, leafy greens, and magnesium supplements if required. 5. Omega-3 fatty acids. Importance. Omega-3s help reduce the risk of heart disease, support brain health, and may have anti-inflammatory properties that benefit joint health. Recommended daily intake. Aim for 1 to 2 servings of fatty fish, e.g. salmon, trout, or consider fish oil supplements with a doctor's advice. Additional vitamins and minerals. Vitamin K. Important for blood clotting and bone health. Found in leafy greens, broccoli, and Brussels sprouts. Folate. Vitamin B9. Crucial for cognitive health. Sources include leafy greens, legumes, and fortified cereals. Vitamin E. An antioxidant that supports skin and eye health. Found in nuts, seeds, and vegetable oils. Iron. Particularly important for women to prevent anemia. Sources include red meat, beans, and fortified cereals. It's important to note that individual nutritional needs can vary based on factors such as health conditions, medications, and dietary preferences. Consulting with a healthcare provider or a registered dietitian can help determine your specific nutrient requirements and ensure you get the right balance of vitamins and minerals for your age and health status. Additionally, a well-rounded diet with a variety of nutrient-rich foods is key to maintaining overall health and vitality in your 50s and beyond. So, as we conclude our journey through the top vitamins and minerals for those over 50, let us remember that age is but a number, and our well-being knows no bounds. By prioritizing these essential nutrients and adopting a health-conscious approach to our diet, we are crafting a future brimming with vigor, resilience, and boundless opportunities. The golden years are meant to shine, and with the right balance of vitamins and minerals, we are well on our way to celebrating life's most precious moments with grace and good health.